let's start from the beginning. I often find myself in this position, atop some mountain or deep in a forest, roaming aimlessly through a trail. But it's not without purpose, and it's not so much an escape either. I like to think of it as a way to settle the mind a little, reconfigure those endless thoughts, and taking that deep breath of fresh air really cleans out the system and makes way for new thoughts. I think you need that time away from crowds, phone reception, life's small and insignificant problems that tend to mount up and clutter the mind. I mean, when was the last time that you really took off into the sunset on your own? You know, I think TLC had it wrong. I think you should chase waterfalls.
Absolute peace. Finding little spots like this around the Gold Coast is a rare treat. I love doing it because as much as I love the beach, I grew up around the beach. I grew up in Papua New Guinea. I'm used to the heat, I'm used to the sand, and I love it. But every now and then you need to just escape, you need to get away. It's places like this that really bring you back down to earth. Let's be honest, we all need to get back to nature every now and then, and this is kind of my spot. And you can hear the birds right now. That's about all that is around me. I love little hidden gems like this, and this video is all about that. Finding those little spots that no one really ventures to, away from the crowds. So I hope you enjoy. My name's Matt, and this is me. Alright, so I'm here heading up to O'Reilly's in Lamington National Park. It is absolutely beautiful up here. The drive up here is sensational. The massive trees and the deep rainforest, that's my favourite stuff. So up there is O'Reilly's, and there's a couple of different tracks you can go on, but I think I'm going to find my favourite one is Moran Falls, I believe it's called. But I'll take you down there. It's sensational. Anyways, let's do it. If you're a bird person, this is your place. I'm hearing so many noises coming right now. This sounds like an ape down there. There's a crying baby up here. If you were David Attenborough, you'd be thriving in here. Ah yes, the yellow-crested finger booty. One of the rarest of all pheasants. Come with me, let's go find it. There it is, Morans Falls in all its glory. Absolutely gorgeous. Gonna trek down there though.
Life's all about our journey and our experiences within that journey that make those lasting memories. The reason I truly love venturing into the mountains to find these hidden gems is simply to create more memories. Stories that I can tell my future family. Not unlike those I was told when I was a boy. So why should we chase waterfalls? Because life should be an adventure. Scary, fun, exhilarating, with a hint of danger. But ultimately it's for you to decide. So, hopefully I'll see you out there.
Alright, we made it to Morans Falls, and hopefully Scully doesn't fall because that is a very long way down. I think it's about 150 meters. I could be completely wrong. My judgment is skewed by the fact that I don't want to lean over the edge, but it's absolutely gorgeous out here. If you have a chance and you're staying up at O'Reilly's, which you can, check this out. This is one of my favorite hikes. But yeah, check it out.